for your love and kind support. So today we are trying to learn lambda function. So you have learned about the lambda function. It is very useful, and if you master in it, then it will be very useful, productive for you. So please think about it and try to learn this function. Okay, now we will clear your some concept. This is lambda. Okay, let's print. Okay, x. So let's okay, this will be the some difficult one. I will tell you this is x comma okay, y and x plus y. Okay. Now we will hit it and you can see the result for this that function of lambda that is this and this. So you have need to give the value. If you give the value here, let's suppose we will write 3 and here is 2. So this will give you some mistake. So it's better to write here okay 9. Okay, let's run and see what is the output. So you can see the output is somewhat different. Here is 6 3 E1 8 F5, here is F9. So basically the formula for this lambda function is for your simplification. I will tell you that first lambda come and then keyword come and then argument list will come. Okay, so let's make a function of some kind of lambda. So sum is okay. So here is this okay. Okay, we well if we need first we will start from only single argument okay, and we will now print some 10, then you will see that it will become 20. Let's see. Okay, so this is the result. So you can see lambda. You can write this one is a two line of code, but you instead do it only one line. So like this one you can also give an argument also, and you can enhance your code by using your creativity. I am here only. Sorry, we are here forget to print it the result. Now we will run and see the output will be, you can see 7. So first of all you will write the keyword lambda, and this is the argument, or you can say parameters, and in the next line you will this from here your function will be, your body will be start, and here is what you want to do with your arguments. If we here multiply it, here is static and then run, then it will be become 10. So this is the lambda function. So that's all for it. Thank you for watching.